Good day, everyone. This is Des of Camglish.com. I will discuss the first part of TOEIC test, which is the listening section. The listening test of TOEIC is divided into 4 parts. The first part is photos. For each question, you will see a picture in your textbook and you will hear 4 short statements. The statements will be spoken just one time. They will not be written in your textbook, so you must listen carefully in order to understand what the speaker says. When you hear the 4 statements, look at the picture in your textbook and choose the statement that best describes what you see in the picture. Then find the number of the question and mark the correct on your answer sheet. Now, let's start. A. The horses are pulling a cart. B. She is feeding the horses. C. The horses are walking along the edge of the water. D. She is riding a horse in the field. Okay, the statement that best describes the picture is letter D. She is riding a horse in the field. When we say riding a horse, that means a person is on the back of a horse. The other term of riding a horse is horseback riding. Now, let's discuss why letter A is wrong. As you can see in this photo, you can't find a cart. A cart is a lightweight, two-wheeled vehicle drawn by a horse, pony, or dog. This is the picture of a cart. Letter B is incorrect because the woman is not feeding the horses. This is what it looks like when someone feeds a horse. The third statement, which is letter C, is wrong because the horses are not walking along the edge of the water. When we say walking along the edge of the water, that means we are walking near the seaside, riverbanks, coast, lakeside, lakeshore, and waterfront. And in this photo, we can't find any form of waters here. So the best answer that describes the picture is letter D. We can make another statement using the phrase riding a horse or horseback riding. We can say one of the best transportation in countryside before is riding a horse. Number 2, my brother's hobby is horseback riding. Number 3, I am afraid to ride a horse. Now, let's go to the next picture. Take a look at it and listen to the 4 statements that I will give to you. Listen carefully because I will only say it once. A. They're taking off their skis. B. They're holding ski poles. C. They're shoveling off the snow. D. They're about to begin the race. Well, the best statement that describes this photo is letter B. They're holding ski poles. Letter A is incorrect because that photo doesn't show that they're taking off their skis. When we say taking off, that means removing it. Let's discuss the idiom take off. When we say take off, it means number 1, remove. Take off your coat and stay for a while. That means you're going to remove your coat. Okay? And number 2, I took my foot off the brake. That means she removed her foot on the brake. Number 2, to deduct or to decrease. Like this. He took 20% off the original price. I want you to trim my hair, but please don't take off too much. The third one is to carry or take away. Like this. The passengers were taken off one by one. Number 4, rise in flight. The airplane took off on time. Number 5 is to withhold service. It's something like this. I'm taking off from work today because of the funeral. That means he didn't go to work. Now, while letter C is wrong. They're shoveling off the snow. When we say shoveling, it means number 1, to take up and throw with a shovel. Number 2, to dig or clean out with a shovel. Number 3, to throw or convey roughly. This is what it looks like when someone is shoveling. And this one here, this is a shovel. A shovel is a tool for lifting and moving loose materials such as coal, gravel, snow, soil, or sand, and is an extremely common tool which is used extensively in agriculture, construction, and gardening. It is usually a hand tool consisting of a broad blade with edges or side that is fixed to a medium-length handle. Shovels are usually made of iron or steel and are very strong. The last statement is wrong because it doesn't show that they are on a racing game like in this photo. This is a ski race. I hope you learned a lot this time, not just about the TOEIC listening test, but also the idioms. This is Teacher Tess, and I'll see you again next time for more listening TOEIC test practice. Bye!